Welcome to Food-Dealy channel. Today's dish, skewered sausage potato bites. First, peel 2 large potatoes. Slice the potatoes thinly with a potato slicer. Soak slices in ice water for crispiness. Prepare 12 small sausages, remove their coating. Wrap the potato slices around each sausage. Skewer the potato and sausage together. Place 3 sausage potato pairs on each skewer. Heat oil in a pan. Fry skewers until golden and crispy. Join the Food-Dealy family. Like, comment, and share the love. Your support means the world to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Serve the delicious skewered sausage potato bites. Join the Food-Dealy family for exclusive recipes and tips. Like and subscribe now. Explore unique, easy-to-follow recipes and expert cooking tips at fooddealy.com. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.